Hello everyone, it's Jen, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my everyday skincare routine for acne, sensitive skin, and oily skin. So the first step in my skincare routine is a face mask. Now, I don't do this every day. I do this about 2 to 3 times a week, and these are my 2 favorite face masks at the moment, the Rosen Skincare Charcoal Face Mask, as well as the Sand and Sky Pink Australian Clay Face Mask. So for today, I'm just going to use the Sand and Sky Pink Australian Clay Face Mask, but I do use the Rosen Charcoal Face Mask every now and then. I kind of like to switch it off, you know, make things interesting. I actually made a video about this face mask a few months ago, and I'm just absolutely in love with it. It does a great job at shrinking my pores. My skin feels so soft and smooth. It really helps reduce the redness in my face, and it's just overall one of my go-to face masks for the skin type that I have. The second step of my skincare routine is face wash, and the face wash I use is Beauty by Earth's Superfruit and Sea Kelp Face Wash. I've been trying to switch over to more natural beauty products recently, and this one is all natural, all organic, made from sea kelp and superfruit, and it does an amazing job to get rid of my oily skin because as someone who struggles with oily skin and acne-prone skin, this definitely has been a lifesaver for me, and even my boyfriend noticed that my skin was looking a lot better, and that was saying something. You can also get this face wash on Amazon for $12, which is a great deal. I will also put the link in all the products I use in this video down below in the description. The next step in my skincare routine is toner. This is the Rosen Skincare Gold Tides Toner. I love this toner so much. Not only does it smell amazing, but it's the first toner I've ever used that actually didn't make me break out or irritate my skin because I usually don't use toner. I've never used toner regularly until now because all the toners I've used have either irritated my skin or made me break out even more, so this is definitely a go-to if you're someone like me who has acne-prone skin and sensitive skin. After applying toner, I moisturize, and I use the Trader Joe's Nourish Oil-Free Antioxidant Facial Moisturizer along with the Rosen Bright Citrus Serum. I first start off by putting 2 pumps of moisturizer into my hand, and then taking my serum, I add about 3 drops into the moisturizer. That's hard for me to say. And then I just mix it all up and apply it to my skin. This is my favorite part because I just sort of massage my face. Make sure that when you do moisturize, you moisturize up. Get your neck as well because your neck does age, ladies. It does, very quickly. And the last step in my skincare routine is this sort of facial spray. It's actually a priming water. You're supposed to put it on your face before you put on makeup or after as like a setting spray. But I just put it on my face because it cools down my skin, it calms my skin as well, and it just feels really nice. And I just like it, so don't judge me. So that is it for my everyday skincare routine for acne-prone, sensitive, and oily skin. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Click the little circle icon right here to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. Make sure to follow me on all my social media down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!